Guys, N07 here. The PS4 did a recent update, a 3.0, and which is pretty good. It was about time. And the recent, let me see if I could do this with one hand. The update was about that you could stream live from your PS3 to your YouTube account live. So when you try to do that, right? You go over here, broadcast, and then you go to YouTube. Alright, you put in the information and all that crap, and this loads up. Any day now. Ten years later. And there we go, finally. Okay, so then when we go up to the broadcast menu, right? Obviously you want to do all this, whatever, and then do what you do normally, and then you start broadcasting. But this will pop up. This beautiful error message. Alright, to fix that, all you gotta do basically is, let me go back over here, broadcast, click on YouTube. Remember, make sure to connect your account, your YouTube account, to your PS4. That's all you gotta do first. Okay, when that comes up, all you gotta do really is go back to the description and basically delete all this. Just leave it on one line, because that's what it basically is. You have too much characters within that description, and you click broadcast, right? Broadcast. And there you go. And now you're live on YouTube. That's how you fix it. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, please. I really appreciate that. Thank you.